Listen, in Jamaica, if someone tell you you're Tinky Mouth, it's very, very, very bad. What that mean? Hi guys, good morning everybody. Just want to take this little moment before I go to work to wish all of you a happy, to wish all of you a good day. Didn't really talk to you since New Year, so one more time I wanted to tell all of you a happy New Year. I hope you all guys enjoy wherever you were, and yeah. Everything is super good here. Tyler going so fast every day. He amazes me and doing new things. So yeah, I'm looking forward for this vlog to see what you have to do today. Have a good day and enjoy this vlog.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. Ooh, this lighting is good, you guys. Good morning from this fresh faced girl. I just finished working out, and workout was good. I actually wasn't gonna work out this morning, but Lord, I know I had to do it. I know I had to do it, so I snapped out of it. I just pumping some real good Jamaican dancehall music, and that carried me through this morning. So workout is done. Hubby is off to work. Baby's off to work. Tyler is somewhere around here playing his tablet and stuff like that. But workout was a success. I'm actually now going to make me some breakfast, and then get my day going. So hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day. If it's your first time watching our vlog, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification right now. And if you're already subscribed and you haven't turned on your notification, please go ahead and do so. Keep up with the fam bam. I am going to go ahead and make me some breakfast. Can you guess what I'm gonna have for breakfast this morning? What's new, girl? The usual. I'm gonna have me some eggs, and can you guess? If you know me, then you know exactly what that's gonna go with. Plantain. So that's gonna be breakfast right now, you guys. Comment down below and tell me whichever day you guys watching this video, what you guys are having for breakfast. So if you guys anything like me, comment down below. Let me know in the comment section what you guys are having for breakfast. You guys, I guess today is just a dead stock stay in chill kind of day with Ty, because it's been raining all night, all day, non-stopping. So we're just here just winging it today, okay? Uh-oh, Tyler's playing Lego. What are you making?
Make it a blue.
You're making it a blue? Blue what? What are you making? You're going for more? So you have all these Legos down there on the floor. So it's gonna be kind of indoor kind of day. Be careful over there, okay?
Mama.
Yes. Which one you going for?
Mama.
Yes. Okay, if that's what you wanna do. I stocked most of his box that he got for Christmas over there.
Mama.
Until I can figure it out. Yes, baby. But we're just here chilling. What do you guys do? Oh, by the way, I don't have work today, so I'm just home.
Mama.
Yes. Ooh, you wanna make this fish? What do you guys do when it's raining at home and you can't go outside? What do you do? Comment down below and let me know. What you guys do? You have to carry all the Legos. Put all the Legos up here and make a fish. You guys, I'm in the kitchen whipping up dinner real quick, and today for dinner I'm making a quick stir fry, which I just add some olive oil to the pot, and now I'm going to add in all these seasonings. Then I'm going to add this chicken breast that I cut up, and I already went ahead and blanched these broccoli and carrots, and that's going to be what my stir fries consist of. So let's get this dinner going real quick. And I'm gonna add some oyster sauce to that. And dinner is ready to go. 5 minutes, it's done. Awesome.
Hi guys, I'm back home. It's kind of late today. After 8, I have a very long day, but yeah, I wanted to come home.
Yes, baby.
Not too late, but sometimes you have to. I got a little gift today from a customer for Tyler. So I don't know what is it, but we're all gonna see together. Tyler?
Cadeau.
Oui, cadeau.
Mama.
Yeah?
Open it.
You open it. It's for you, not for me.
Qu'est-ce que c'est, Tyler?
Rabbit.
It's a rabbit.
Rabbit.
Wow.
Mama.
Yeah.
It's
It's a special rabbit. Let's see.
It's a magic rabbit.
What? It changed its color. Look. It's turning blue. Look, you turn it off by here. Push it. Push it. Yeah. And you can turn it back on. Turn it on. What? What color is this?
Yellow. Red.
Green now.
Green. Red. Red. No. Yellow. No.
Tyler, you like it?
Like it.
Thank you. Thank you.
What do you say?
Cadeau. Mama.
Yeah.
No,
I like your rabbit. I love it.
So that was a little gift.
And the uncle cadeau.
Encore cadeau? Tyler, you don't ask for cadeau. Tyler, you don't ask for cadeau. You say thank you when someone gives you a gift.
He did say thank you.
Yeah, he did say, but you don't say again.
Cadeau.
You don't say encore.
Cadeau.
Finish.
Cadeau.
It was shot with a hook. Now look at this trick, said the cat. Take a look. Then he got up on top with the tip of his hat. I call this game fun in a box. Then the cat, said the cat, In this box are two things. I will show them to you now. You will like these things, said the cat with a bark. I will pick up the hook. You will see something new. Two things. And I call them Thing 1 and Thing 2. These things will not bite you. They want to have fun. Then out of the box came Thing 1 and Thing 2. And then they ran to us fast. They said, how do you do? Whoa. Would you like to shake hands with Thing 1?
Papa Joe.
No, tomorrow.
Papa Joe. Papa Joe. Papa Joe. Oh. Mama. 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 Mama.
Say bye, Fibs.
My face.
See you tomorrow.
Mama.
Yes.
And then the Papa Joe.
Tomorrow. Give Mama a kiss.
Papa kiss.
Baba Aka. Baba Aka. Baba Aka.
Papa what?
Baba Aka.
Ah.
Baba Aka.
Yes, Papa Aka, whatever you say.
À demain, Tyler.
Mama.
Night, night.
And I
Love you.
love you.
Say love you too, Mama.
Love you too, Mama.
Damn. What's going on with my hair?
Don't judge her.
You guys, I'm editing the vlog and just realized that we didn't end it, so we're just coming on to give you the Jamaican expression and end it. And I remember some person's been asking me to give insulting Jamaican expression. I was going to go ahead and still give one. I feel so bad, but it's all fun and games. So the Jamaican expression for today is thinking mode. I feel so bad.
Tinky mouth.
Yes.
You tinky mouth.
No.
Listen,
laughing
in Jamaica,
because-
if someone tell you you're tinky mouth, it's very, very, very bad. What that mean? Whatever that mean. You tinky mouth.
If somebody in Jamaica say, move first with your thinking mouth, they simply telling you that you have a bad breath.
Oh, you stinky.
Yes, so
Stinky mouth.
stink is stink.
Oh, you stink.
Or, move first, you smell stink like what? Mean you smell you need to have a shower. So thinking mode, you smelling me? Are you smelling me? Honey, are you smelling?
What kind of animal is that?
You're disgusting. You made me laugh until I cried. Oh my god. Wipe my tears, I'm crying. Wipe my tears, I'm crying. Wipe it now. Say it.
Tinky mouth.
Thinking mode.
Tinky mouth.
Alright. Oh my gosh, I'm crying. What's the French expression for today?
Unfortunately, I don't have anything that's come to my mind close to what you say, so I'm gonna say, gonna say a regular one. Être haut, être grand comme trois pommes. Être grand comme trois pommes.
Être grand comme trois pommes.
Yeah, simply mean to be tall like 3 apples. Mean you're very short. So when there's a short person or someone and is short, like you can say he's grand comme 3 pommes.
You're talking about me?
You're 6 apples, you. Être grand comme 6 pommes.
Okay. Alright, you guys.
Someone who is short, you can say is tall as 3 apples. So that's a French
Okay.
expression. You compare him to 3 apples.
Oh my god, that's
Meaning
really
he's very
short.
short.
And you compare me to 6, you're terrible.
Yeah.
6 is
You're
still
wa-
short.
You're watermelon.
Anyway, guys, there you have the French and the Jamaican expression. I think
Don't remember the Jamaican expression.
I'm going to have to give more insulting Jamaican expression because they're hilarious. There you have both expression. You get it?
Make sure you don't get it.
Make sure you get
You
it.
don't get it.
Alright, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new, turn on your notification bell. We love you guys. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.